Family,
Hi.
how's it going?
Good.
What are we doing today?
We're picking oranges.
Picking oranges? Are you picking oranges, son? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go pick our first oranges. We got our little rain barrels going on. We got a puppy that's running around with her tail wagging. Got our solar panels going. And we got one lemon on the lemon tree. And a bunch of oranges on our orange tree. Now this guy over here, he's not very happy. I don't know what happened to him. But we got all of our oranges. Alright, son, let's pick an orange. This is going to be your first orange from the orange tree. Oh yeah, I got that, Mama. Let him grab to both hands, baby. Woo, that's an orange. Oh, what's that? Wow, look at all those oranges. What do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 oranges. And we got a puppy. Wow, son. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. That's a pretty good size. Here you go, son. Here you go, son. Here you go. Here you go. That's an orange. Yeah. What is that? Oh, wow. Smells nice. Yeah. All right, there you have it. Got the oranges, the family, the green, and the smiles. Yay! Won't you be
My neighbor.
my neighbor?